Okay, so in this session, we are going to discuss how to delete documents from a collection. Okay, so the syntax for deleting a collection is mentioned over here, as you can see, db dot name of the collection dot remove. Okay, so the remove method is used to delete your document from a collection, and inside a remove method you can specify a delete criteria. Okay, so we'll move on to the questions now. The questions is to there are two questions: delete the records of student whose id is 1004, and then delete the record of student whose age is less than 25. Okay, so before finding a solution for this particular questions, we'll first use our database college. Then I will display all the records. For first I will display all the records like uh, db dot student, which is nothing but name of the collection dot file, and dot readme. Okay, so as you can see, there are total, I guess there are total five records. Yes, first, second, third. Okay, five. There are total five records. Now, what I have to do is, I have to delete the record of student whose ID is 1004. So the command for this particular thing is db dot name of the collection, which is nothing but my student dot remove, and then inside a remove I have to specify the criteria, which is nothing but my condition. So here the condition is whose student id is 1004. So whose student id, right? So student id is 1004. So now as you can see, I'm getting message remove one record. So in this way you can remove your record. Okay, now we'll solve this question: delete the record of student whose age is less than 5. Now we'll see how many records are there whose age is less than 25. Okay, I guess there is no such records. Okay, so what we'll do, delete the records of student whose age is less than 20 30. Okay, now whose age is less than 30. So how to write that query: remove, and inside that what I will do is I will use age, and then I will apply a lt criteria, which is nothing but my less than criteria. Lt less than value is nothing but 30. So by the way, when you execute this particular query, it will delete all the records whose age is less than 30. I'm not going to fire this query because I have to deal with this particular documents in my lecture session. So what I'm going to do is I will explain this query, what I have written over here. As you can see, the criteria was age should be less than 30. So when I say less than, then I have to use $LT over here, and then I'm specifying the value, which is nothing but 30, and here I'm specifying the field value, which is nothing but my key. So in this way I can remove all my records with age is less than 30. So when I execute this query, it will delete this particular record because its age is less than 30. It will also, it will not delete this particular record because I'm not using lte, I'm not using less than equal to. Okay, so it will delete this particular record, obviously. So if I execute this query, then it will remove two records. Okay, so what if I don't want to remove two records, or I don't want to remove more than one records? For example, if I want to remove only one document matching your criteria, then I have to use one parameter called as just one parameter. Okay, so what this parameter is, when the value, by the way, the value it this particular parameter accepts is boolean value. That means that it can be 1 or it can be 0. So whenever I use 1 over, whenever I write 1 over here, then then it will limit the document deletion to only one document. That means if there are four records which satisfy your condition, and if you write 1 over here, then it will delete only one document, it will not delete all the documents. Okay, so in this way you can remove only one document. So this is how you can remove one document. Now what we are going to learn is how to remove all the documents. So if you want to remove all the documents from a collection but you don't want to remove the collection itself, then you can use remove method like this. So db dot collection name dot remove and then pass empty curly brackets. So by writing this particular query, you will delete all the documents which are there in this particular collection. So if I want to delete if I want to delete the documents which are there in my student collection, then the command will be db dot student dot remove, and then inside this I will write curly braces. So in this way I can delete all the documents which are there in my student collection. So this is how you delete your records. In our next session we are going to discuss most interesting topic called as projection.